So we sort of did something, I don't know, something kind of, I don't know if I would call it crazy, but we got up early. We got up early, extra early, just so we could film what's coming up over there. So this is my Osmo Action, and I'm going to use it to try to capture a time lapse of that. But the real reason why we're here, we got here extra early so we could film an episode of Help Me Find My Best Drone Shot. And here's how it works. In this video, I'm going to spotlight 3 drone shots. You can help me by voting for your favorite shot in the comments. Help me find my best drone shot. And I do this for fun, one of my favorite hobbies, or I should say my favorite hobby is flying the drone. And this kind of gives that footage purpose, you know, something for me to do with it, and it's kind of fun, and I really appreciate your help. But before we get started, let's take a look and see what shot won last episode.
In the last episode, I visited a beautiful place called Herman's Bay Beach Access. I spotlighted 3 shots and asked for you to vote for your favorite one. Melly chose shot number 1. She loved how powerful the wave is. Thanks so much for voting, Melly. The How To channel chose shot number 2. Thanks so much for voting and making a comment. Shot number 3 was JRM Vlog's favorite shot. Thanks so much for watching and casting your vote. And the shot that won was shot number 3. Thanks for everyone that watched this video, voted, and made a comment.
All right, so I'm getting ready to launch the drone. I'm gonna put it up. Let's find this week's shots. And don't forget to vote for your favorite shot in the comments. Help me find my best drone shot. Also, I spotlight some of the comments in the next video, so yeah, make a comment, maybe I'll spotlight it. All right, here we go. Wow, would you look at that sky? It looks amazing. Anyway, I really had a good time out here flying the drone this morning. is a beautiful area to fly the drone. I might add, which y'all might notice that I come out here quite a lot because, yeah, it's like one of my favorite spots to fly the drone. But I hope I got some shots that you liked, and I hope you found one that you liked the most, and please vote for that shot. Help me find my best drone shot. Hey, I'm Scott, and I think I'm gonna walk around this beach some more. It's beautiful. Check it out. Y'all take care.